Hello everyone, my name is Praveen. I belong to Amroha in Uttar Pradesh. I recently completed IT support engineering training with Evision and I am thrilled with the experience. Evision gives 45 days training. Their training program is comprehensive and up to date and taught by knowledgeable instructor who simplify complex concept. Here I learned about CCNA in cybersecurity, RTIL, Windows Server and networking. The hands-on training prepared well for real-world scenarios and placement assistant team helped me to secure IT support job quickly. Evision goes the extra mile to ensure your success both during the training and after training. I assume Evision is the best platform to achieve a goal. I thank all support members of Evision. After the 45 days training, I got placed in Multisoft company in Noida. Thank you so much.